I need help. This is my pillow closet. I saw Timothy Corrigan with pillows in a closet, and I wanted one. So what else can I do to make this more efficient? So I'm in the closet, and we're going to have one shelf in here. And Bob painted the ceiling, and he painted the trim, and all of the stain from the floor is gone. And we've left all the pieces here so that if we decide to move the pillows out of this room, because this is going to be my pillow room. I noticed Timothy Corrigan had a pillow room, and I decided I'm going to make this closet my pillow room. It would be the Serena vacuum cleaner room, but it's just too small. That thing takes up too much room. So the cloth hanging shelves don't really take up as much space. In other words, it's inefficient, and I'm not using the whole closet, and I want to use the whole closet. So I'm going to get shelving, and I'm probably going to figure out another way to store the pillows. And to make a very good closet room, I could just get the shelves that are on wheels. And Bob found this little shelf container, and it has my name on it. So I thought I'd put it in there.